Okay, our number 4, it says, B is the geometric mean between A and C. And then they say prove that. I got to prove this now. And the question is, how do you do that? I'm going to go to the whiteboard to give it a try. So let's go to the whiteboard and give this a try. And this is going to be number 4. Let me make sure I got my pen. Yeah, I'm doing okay. So I'll write down that B is the geometric mean. Let's write this down. B is the geometric mean between A and C. All right? So I'm going to say that would be equal to the root of AC. Okay, let me make sure I read that right. It says B is the geometric mean between A and C. Let me just go through that with you, that, B, and there's going to be an A, and there's going to be a C over here. All right? Now, if I look at this over here, just geometric, you'd have A, AR, and AR squared. And if you took these two terms, that's the A and the C, multiply them together, you get A times AR squared, and that would be this guy squared, which would be A squared, R squared. That seems to make sense. So I'm going to write this instead. B squared is equal to A times C. All right, that's not a bad thing to start with. Right, just understand what the geometric mean is. And now what I'm going to do over here is, write down what they want me to show is true. And I'll write this one down. A plus B plus C, A minus B plus C is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Now, go back and read the question. I want to make sure that's what they asked for. They said, if B is a geometric mean between A and C, prove that this is true. Let's go for it. All right? By the way, there are a couple of things I do know. I know this. Okay? So I'm going to multiply it and see what happens. And I want to do it one step at a time. So it's going to be A squared minus AB plus AC. I just finished that multiplication. Right, so I get A squared minus AB plus AC. Now let's do this one over here. What do you get? AB. And then you get minus B squared. And then you get plus BC. Now let's keep going. Let's do this one over here. You get AC minus BC. And then you're going to get plus C squared. All right. I'm going to start to look for things, and I'm seeing the A squared. I'm seeing the C squared. I'll write this down. A squared plus C squared. By the way, I'm going to look for things that disappear. All right? And the first thing I notice is that these disappear. These disappear. And what am I left off with? Well, 2AC, that here, minus B squared. And they're claiming this is equal to A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Well, let's use some of the facts that I know. I know that AC is B squared. So let's write this down. A squared plus C squared. And that would be 2. What's AC? It's B squared. And that's minus B squared. And again, they claim it's A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Is that true? It is true. We get A squared. 2B squared minus B squared is B squared plus C squared. And that does equal A squared plus B squared plus C squared. And we're done. Thank you.